So I just put my car underground so I don't have to shovel it tomorrow, and I'm walking home. It's a light snow, it's not too heavy, but it's accumulating, as you can see, getting quite high up. You're keeping the roads as clear as possible. Pretty good, considering it's snowing for several days. Woo, and it's cold and windy. And I wish I had a ski mask on right now. My cheekies, my nose, and my lips are freezing. Oh my gosh. The wind is blowing a little bit, but the wind is going to pick up speed tonight, and I'm wondering if I'm going to lose power. If so, I'll have my overnight bag packed, sling it over my shoulder, and walk downtown and check myself in to one of the hotels, hoping, let's hope that doesn't happen, but if it does, hoping to have a room. I hate to be without electricity. It kind of scares me, especially in an old house. Holy cow. Nobody on the roads. Although, driving over here to park my car underground, I had no problem. I wasn't sliding on the road. I felt very safe, and I didn't feel like it was a dangerous situation. Okay. Oh, the wind. Hear the wind. Oh dear Lord. Oh, that is cold. That is cold. I feel like I'm walking uphill against the wind. Okay. Shut the phone off for now. Well, I was only about a half a mile, probably not even a half a mile, from the car park to my house, and literally my face is freezing to the point where I don't really feel much of it. Hence the reason I am slurring my words, cause my mouth is so cold, it's not working properly. But I say that, but I always sound like I'm slurring my words. I don't know what it was, Canada, or why I picked up this weird way of talking. But honestly, I can't feel my cheeks, and my lips are going numb. And my phone is getting wet. I'm literally almost home, but when you're walking against the wind, I feel like I'm walking uphill. If I didn't look like a homeless person right now, a frozen homeless person, I'd go into one of those restaurants and have a quick drink. The blizzard is real! Oh, I gotta go save my neighbor.